Okay, hello everyone. Yeah, we're going to take a look at this day 29, these last two assignments, the vertical motion practice and the practice picture with the frame. Anyway, here's number one. Guys, the setup is the key, and then we're going to put them right in Desmos. All right, the setup here, the equation they give it to you, and they give you two numbers, the initial height, the initial velocity. So just put the velocity here and the height here. And the velocity times x. Take this right here and put it in Desmos. That's what I'm going to do. So this is 45x, and it's plus 36. And this is y equals, sorry, there. Oop, like that. Oh, I'm sorry, that's negative 16. There. All right, so right there's our answer, 3.46 seconds. They're asking how long it takes to hit the ground. Can you launch it? It goes up, 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 down, 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 and hits right there. Where x is 0 is where it hits the ground. We're solving for x, setting it equal to 0. All right, we just have to set it equal to y so Desmos graphs it. All right. Circuit number 2. Same thing, guys. It's the same setup. The only difference is now it's height of 12 feet and 19 feet per second is the velocity. That's the only difference. So the setup here has 19 here and 12 here. So again, just go to Desmos. Put 19 here and 12 over here. Right, click right there. There's the answer. 1.64 seconds. All right, so I put that right there. We're just going to keep going. I don't have a lot of time here, so I got to hustle through these guys, or the video will run out. All right, the next one again, you're given two numbers. 23 feet high, 32 feet per second to start. Put the 32 here, the 23 here. Go to Desmos. Guys, it always starts with negative 16x squared, so just leave that in there. All right, click right. There's your answer. Again, we have a negative answer here, but that's a negative time. It doesn't make sense in the real world. All right, I have kind of a weird thing going on with my camera here. Sorry about that. All right, 2.56. All right, so I put 2.56 right there. All right, last one. Again, the same setup. Given two numbers, 25 and 37. The 37 goes here, and the 25 goes here. 37, remember, is the velocity, feet per second. They list it second, but it goes first in the equation. All right, go to Desmos, put it in there. 37 and 25. All right, again, you click right there, 2.86. Round it off to the nearest hundreds. 5.9 means 6. 2.86. All right, so I put 2.86 right there. All right. Guys, you can submit that one. I got to move quick here, guys. We're going right to picture with a frame. Again, the setup is the key. Okay, so I had to stop there. Again, the setup is the key. Guys, you want to set up like this. This is length times width, and then subtract the area. All right, because that's going to equal 0 then. Graph it. It might be upside down, and find out where it crosses the x-axis, the positive value. That's what we're doing here again. All right, this is always 2x. It's the length of the frame. There's an x on each side. This is x. So this side has an x, and this side has an x, and that side has an x. So each one of those is 2x. We went through this before, guys, okay? And we add the width of the picture and the height of the picture. All right, so just take this and put this in Desmos. All right, so I'm going to go over there right now. Again, 2x, it's plus 9, plus 15. Again, it's 9 is the width, 15 is the height, or something like that. And subtract 237. All right, guys, you got a big, long quadratic here that has a negative side, but that's the negative side, no. It's only the positive side. It's 1.84. That's the width of the frame. That's how many inches, okay? So I put 1.84 right there. All right, quick, do it again. We're out of time here. And guys, the next one again, that says the picture is 13 inches high and 30 inches wide. So the 13 and the 30 go here and here. It doesn't matter what, you got to put the 30 here if you want, and the 13 here. It doesn't matter. And then you subtract out the total area they give you. They give you 3 numbers. Right there. And you put them right there. Okay, then put it in Desmos. Right, the 2x, this time I'm adding 13. And this time over here I'm adding 30. And I got to subtract 512. All right, the positive thing is right there. 1.34. And round it off. 36 means 4. And I put my answer right there. All right, keep going. Look at the setup again. The setup is the key. You get 2 numbers, 6 and 17. Put them there and there. Picture with the frame, the total area is right there. So subtract that out. Again, this is the total area minus the total area. All right, put it in Desmos. That's 6. That one's 17. 295, like that. All right, click right there. There's your answer. 3.27. 3.27. Got to round it off. Nearest hundredth, okay? 3.27. Our last one. Again, the picture height is 11, and the width is 11 high and 20 wide. All right, so the 11 and the 20 go right there. Now you add it to the width of the frame is what you're doing there to get the total area. 339, the total area, subtract it back out. Put it in Desmos. $339. All right, there's our answer right there. 1.72. All right, so put the answer right there, 1.72. All right, guys, I hope that helped you. Use Desmos, okay? That's it. Thank you.